Just making a video to document process I'm starting in my network closet. As you can see in front of me right now is a bunch of old analog system stuff along with old DSL feed, and I have quite the spaghetti mess of the wonderful job, joking, my fiber provider did with their fiber cable. And granted, excuse some of this. This is a KVM I need to install somewhere. But yeah, the fiber provider didn't do the best job routing the cable. They kind of added to the mess. And then I got a nice big mess of stuff in the ceiling. Not much of this is really marked in any meaningful way or routed. It was basically just thrown up there. And there's another caveat I'm up against. All the ceiling insulation is just falling loose. So yeah, have no experience with cleaning up something like this. Not even sure where to start at the moment. My initial thought is to kind of get some of these loose cables figured out, like this mess. One of them I'm actually using. It goes to a room that I have an access point in. Kind of got lucky and was able to figure out where both ends were pretty quickly. But yeah, this will be interesting. I believe this yellow cable here goes back to the analog system. Not sure what it does. I think some of these cables are data and some of them are phone. But yeah, hopefully I'll figure out what I'm doing here, make some progress. Wow, this is Cat 5e and even Cat 5, which is somewhat disappointing, but I'm not pushing that much heavy bandwidth. I might need gigabit on an occasional basis, but for the most part, my network traffic's pretty light. So hopefully I will make a follow-up video, or remember to make a follow-up video with progress and thoughts. I haven't really seen too many good videos on how to do it, just mostly people showing themselves doing it. So hopefully I can provide something that's useful to others on cable management when dealing with a mess like this. So yeah, thanks for watching.